Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Japanese, they call it Suguru. In English, tectonic, or a jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, the cipher block. Yes. And this one will be number 6907. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be the easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. It's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here a single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot see dual boxes. I see here a triple box. That's the next question. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be a 2. So the 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5. Here we have also a triple box. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright, here another triple box. The numbers 1, 2 and 3 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here in this same area, so this box should be a 5. The other side could be 4 or a 5 here. Alright. Then the next question, do we have here a quadra box? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. We have a quadra box here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadra box. The numbers could be everywhere. Yeah. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? No. Let me draw the Z or the S construction if you rotate this. Yeah. This is the S construction. If you rotate this, same as the Z here. If you rotate this, when you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Here the same, the Z construction. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, next shape, figure or structure. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. This box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 2 and the 4 and is connected with that box. So 2 and the 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2, oh wait. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. It can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. Yeah. Okay. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5. Can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4 then. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. We have a double 5 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay. Yeah. Wait. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. 1, 2. Well. 2, 4, and 5. I'm thinking. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 4. I need numbers here. Well. 1, 3. 1, 3. No. 1, 2. Yeah. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? I'm stuck here now. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. I've eliminated 5. So the 5 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. This box can be a 2. Oh wait, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, this box can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So the 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 and a 3. Okay. 1. Come on. This box. Yeah, I'm thinking. 4. 5. This can be a 1. Can be a 3. 1, 3. I'm stuck. These 2 oh wait, we have a 1 here. This box can be a 4. I need that number here. Well, we need a 5 here in this Z construction. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 5 anymore. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So one box left with a 3 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So one box left with a 3 in this quarter box should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4 is connected with that box. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box should be also 1. I marked this box with 1 or a 4. We have a 1 there, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. So this box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5 is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 5, but we already have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 4 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. These two boxes can, oh wait. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, will be also 4 and 5. But we already have a 4 there, so it can't be a 4 anymore. Should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. I've marked this box with 4 or 5. We have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. That means that this box cannot be 1 or a 3. This box should be a 2 then. Well, and those two boxes should be 1 or a 3. 1 or 3 is connected with that box, 1 or a 3. So here could be a 2 or there. These two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. This box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 4. It can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. I've eliminated the 5 there, so the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I'm really pleased with the time. And I like this one. So we'll do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yes, it's a weekend.